Hi guys, how are you today? So I decided to have my live because I'm here in Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. So I'm gonna turn you in my room. Actually, we stay in condominium. Condominium, guys. It's condominium. Condominium siya, guys. So, meron siyang dalawang bed. Tapos, ang ganda ng balcony niya. Yan, itutur ko kayo. So, ayan yung pinto ng aking room. And, maliit lang siya. Nag-iisa lang ako, dalawang bed. So, nasa dalawang bed ako, pero mag-isa lang ako dito. And, ayan siya, guys. Sharon. Maliit lang siya na room. It's a condominium. And, ayan siya, guys. And then, puntahan natin yung aking cabinet. So, ayan, inayos ko yung mga gamit ko dito. Ayan guys, ang gulo ng gamit. So, I didn't arrange. I'm tired, so I did not arrange yet my things like that. So, andito yung mga kwaknit ko. Mga tibak and G-strings there. So, andyan yung sandal ko sa baba, guys. So, 2 luggage with me. And, buksan natin yung room. Ay, ano natin yung toilets. So, ayan guys. So, ang dami kong gamit. Ayan guys. Ang daming gamit, titi. Naantok ako. Lumabas kami last night. And, ayan. So, dito yung room ko din. Ito yung balcony. So, ayan. Sobrang ganda ng balcony, ng view. So, it's night time. So, it's not so clear. But tomorrow, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung view. Okay? So, tomorrow na lang. Ayan, guys. Tomorrow. Ayan, guys. Andito ko ngayon sa Kota Kinabalu, Malaysia. Ayan. So, ayan siya, guys. So, ayan. Dito lang ako. Nakaupo lang muna ako. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye! May naka-charge doon, guys. O kasama ko yan. Nakita nyo? Yan, o. Ayan, guys. May naka-charge. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. At magpo-posting muna ako ng mga ginagawa. Bye.